Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good at your homes. In GK, we are going to learn about amazing animals and birds and their facts. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to know about the different characteristics of animals and birds. Students will be able to understand that they share their environment with many other animals and birds and will be able to identify many of them. Let's learn. Elephant. The elephant is the only mammal that can't jump. Mammal means they grow their babies inside them. Cheetah. Children, cheetah is the world's fastest animal on land. Ostrich. The biggest bird in the world is ostrich. The ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. Sloth. It looks like a bear, but it is not. It is a sloth. Sloth is the slowest animal and lives on trees. Dog. Dog's nose prints are as unique as human fingerprints. Polar bear. Polar bears live in the Arctic. Polar bear is a left-handed animal. Pigeon. Pigeons have strong wings and fly up to 6,000 feet. Giraffe. Giraffe is the only animal that cannot make any sound. Squirrel. Squirrels can climb trees faster than they can run on ground. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the only bird which can fly backwards. Owl. Owls cannot rotate their eyes. Chicken. Chicken is the most common species of bird found in the world. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.